Hello everyone and welcome back. Today's video is going to be my March Boxycharm unboxing, and I'm going to be trying on everything for you guys. Most of the makeup that I'm wearing today is from this Boxycharm. So first of all, what is Boxycharm? Boxycharm is a monthly subscription for $22, $22 a month. You receive 4 to 5 full-size beauty products that combined are no lower than $100. I did the math and this month's Boxycharm is $157.99. That is crazy because you only pay $21 for this. The theme of this month's box is La Vie en Rose. This is perfect for springtime. Like, this calls my name. Rose gold, spring pinks. Yes, please. Let's jump right into it and see all the products that I got in my Boxycharm. And the first item that we're going to try on today is this Wonder Beauty Lift Off Purifying Brightening Peel Off Mask. So let me go ahead and give you an intro here. This retails for $34. I'm going to go ahead and put this on for you guys so you can see what it looks like. Honestly, I didn't wait to put it on. Anyway, I'm going to let you guys see it first before I actually, yeah. This mask is the coolest. It has a pearl gold tint to it. It's really cool. I'm just going to put this on. This feels really, really cold. This mask has acai berry in it, which is supposed to brighten dull skin. This also has kaolin in it, which helps reduce pores and minimize oil. On the back of this, it says to wait 10 to 15 minutes for the mask to completely dry, and then I peel it off. So I'm gonna be back in about 10 to 15 minutes, and we will peel this off. All right, I am back now, and we are going to take this mask off. You know what I want to do, guys? I want to do a peel off mask on my husband because he literally grimaces every time I do a mask like this. Like, he can't stand it. It's not too painful. I mean, I definitely feel it lifting off. That was my dryer. I do feel like it minimizes my pores. I see a difference. It does feel smooth. And I do see a little bit of a glow on my skin. So yeah, so far I've really liked this mask. I've used it only twice, and usually with skincare items I like to use them a couple times or even like a couple weeks before I actually like know how I feel about the product. Let's keep moving, otherwise this is gonna be a really long video. I did not get a foundation in my Boxycharm or a powder, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that really quick using my Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Foundation in the color F2. I'm going to use the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Ultra Fine Mist. I did not get this in my Boxycharm. I'm just using this before I put on my foundation. Oh, and I'm also going to put on my Banana Bright Eye Cream because I'm wearing this makeup throughout the day, so. I use the Anastasia Brow Wiz to do my eyebrows. The next items that I received in my Boxycharm are these brushes, and I have not opened these up yet because I wanted to wait until I actually film this video, but I have been really excited to look at these, so let me open this. And these are called the Moda brushes, and these retail for $29.99. Ooh. That was my computer. Okay, so it comes with 2 brushes. This one looks more like a setting powder brush. And this one, they say that it's like a highlight brush, but honestly, I feel like I would use this more for blush. I don't know, I just don't see how that would apply highlight well for me. But this one definitely is a powder brush, so I'm gonna use this big fluffy brush to set my foundation. I'm gonna use the Dermablend Illuminating Banana Powder. It's a nice addition to my brush collection. It's very soft too. And I've never heard of this brand before, Moda brushes. It's literally the perfect density for a powder brush. I'm gonna go ahead and use this brush to brighten up my under eyes, and I'm actually using the Brighten Up powder by Essence. This is their banana powder. I'm going to use this second brush to contour and bronze and then apply my blush, but I'm not getting to that just yet, but I will. The next item I received in my Boxycharm is this mascara. This is by the brand Manakadar. This is their Bloom Volumizing Mascara. Their mascara retails for $29. Which is pretty expensive for a mascara. I'm going to use my Brunch Date palette to do my eyes, and then I will be right back and we will try on this mascara. I am also using my Jaclyn Hill pencils to do my eyeshadow, so I'll be right back. So now I'm going to go in with my Bloom Volumizing Mascara. Let's see how this works out. Yeah, this doesn't clump at all. I actually really like this wand. Honestly, I feel like this is a lengthening mascara, but at the same time, I'm getting that volume. Wow, I really like this. Wow, I'm gonna look into this brand more. And I'm not one that really likes to pay for expensive mascara, but recently I have been into high-end mascara. You guys, it does not clump at all. I really do like clumpiness in my mascara, but in this particular look, no, it's very romantic and fluttery. And you can just keep adding on, depending on how extreme you want the look to go. Like, it can be fluttery and soft, or you can really build it up. It's a buildable mascara. Now let's go try this on the bottom lashes, which I am much more picky about. Okay. It's not too bad. Wow. It actually does work on the lower lash line. Okay, with this mascara, I feel like it's both volumizing and lengthening. Like, wow. Very impressed. I really like this. So far we have the cutest rose gold theme going on. I love it. Now we are going to move on to the next item in my Boxycharm. We have the Cover FX Face Perfector Face Palette. This is priced at $45. This is what you get. So we have 2 highlights right here, and then we have a blush, a finishing powder, a contour. I could use it as a bronzer too, and then here we have a brightener. So maybe I'll use this on my under eyes. I'm gonna go in with this pink undertone highlight. Since we're going with like a rose gold theme today, I'm gonna try and keep it like that. I'm gonna use the slimmer brush. I don't know if this has a name. Does it have a name? It doesn't have a name, but on the box it says it is the Soft Glow brush. I just want a soft contour slash bronze. Ooh. Very subtle. And you have to use just a light hand. Wow, I'm literally liking everything that I've tried in this Boxycharm so far. I'm gonna go in with this blush right here. Ooh, really pretty pink. It's like your everyday pink blush. Next, I'm gonna go in with this finishing powder, and then I'll put my highlight on top. I don't know if that's how you're supposed to do it, but I'm not liking this finishing powder too much. It has chunky bits of glitter in there, so it's definitely not like my Hourglass powder, but yeah, there's like chunks of glitter in there. If you like the glitter, then you would like this powder, but not a big fan of that powder right there. Yeah, let me use this brightener first. Whoa, this one I like. Go light on the brightening powder, guys. So let's go in with this rose gold highlight. Oh, I like that. And I have textured skin, and it's not bringing attention to that texture. It really looks like a glow, like a natural glow. Wow, I'm going for like a dewy, fresh spring look. And I can see myself traveling with this because I literally am using everything. I not so much am a fan of the powder, the finishing powder, but honestly, everything else is perfect. The last item in my Boxycharm is this OFRA Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick in the color Monaco. It looks more like a metallic color, which I'm not too fond of those. I prefer more a liquid matte look or a glossy lip. I've never really been into the metallic lips, so we'll see how I like this color. Okay, so you can go really natural with this. I really like that color too. I'm gonna try and build it up here and see what we get. This formula is so comfortable. I didn't think I would like this because it looked metallic, but really it's not. Do you notice how it goes with my nails? So that is everything in my Boxycharm. We are all empty now. So I'm going to stay with this. I really liked everything that I got from this, like the brushes, the mascara I love. The mask I need to keep trying out because skincare just takes longer for me to get on board with. But so far I am liking it. And also the palette. You guys, I am going to be traveling with this palette nonstop. And then this lipstick is beautiful. I love it. Yeah, I didn't think I was gonna like a metallic lip, but honestly, it's very natural. You can go all metallic and everything, but no, this is beautiful. I really like this lip color. This is perfect for springtime. I love the look that I got today with everything. I think it's very natural and dewy and bring on spring. I hope that you guys really enjoyed this video. I'm going to be doing Boxycharm once a month now. What products did you get in your Boxycharm? I am going to leave it at that, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!